morning from the 4th day of Rocky Mountain Race Week and our second drive day. And then we're just driving today as well, no racing. The rest of the days are going to be race and then drive at night to the next track. So we got a nice relaxing day, but it's not relaxing for the drivers. 410 miles total for the drive today. So it's going to be a very long day, and if any of the drivers have issues along the way, it's going to be a struggle. We'll be following some of our stick shift friends here and see how they do. Hop in for a ride and see who else we run into along the road. Morning.
Good morning. 85 octane this morning. Still had a half a tank of ethanol.
It's
so
not. Oh, okay. So last night when we left you, you're taking your or putting your trans back in for the second time, right?
No, third time in 3 days.
Third time in 3 days.
Yeah. Clutch looks good though. It's the clutch inspection program. That's what.
If you check it every day, it's gonna look fine, I think.
Yeah. Yeah.
How big's your tank?
It'll hold 25 if I.
Holy crap! That is a huge tank. It's gonna be a long drive today.
Yes.
410 miles.
Yeah, we'll be using some ice bags too.
Oh man. Well, I've been filming this car for 4 years now, I think, and I finally get to ride in Bill Armstrong's stick shift Ford Fairlane, and this thing is beautiful. And he is currently leading the stick shift class because Cletus unfortunately had an 11-second pass yesterday. So let's hop in and see what this thing's all about. Oh yeah. Bench seat life. I like that. She just floats down the road. It's pretty smooth.
You haven't been in this before, right?
I haven't, no. I was just telling the camera, I've been filming this car for 4 years now. Maybe. I've never really caught you on the road yet, so it's perfect. So what is it about this car that makes you keep building it? What do you love about it?
Well, you don't see a ton of them around.
No, not at all.
Of course, the chicks love it.
Yeah. It's a very, very nice style.
Oh, thanks. Yeah, the whole idea of it has been, and it's kind of like everything I like, just kind of walk quietly and carry a great big stick. So this car, when I have the hubcaps on it and the street wheels and tires, it just looks like a restoration. Most people that just glance at it don't notice the roll cage right off and stuff like that.
No, I didn't the first time I saw it.
Yeah, and I mean the parachute handle hides up here behind the
cool.
visor. And it's full interior and stuff, so...
Yeah, if this thing was gutted, it wouldn't be nearly as cool.
So yeah, so most people, like, when you're on the highway next to, I don't know, it's a fast motorcycle, Hayabusa or whatever, they have no idea. And
it's not loud, like we're just sitting here talking normally.
Right. And you try to you screw with a bike on the highway, and they don't have a chance. And it's retarded. They are like so baffled.
Oh,
like
yeah.
you're like on the throttle, and you're just easing by them and striping the highway. It's pretty funny.
What the hell is that?
Yeah. So it's fun. I mean, don't get me wrong, there's a lot of cars that are super awesome, but I just like the low profile approach, you know?
I hope nobody's visiting their relatives today. Well, we've made it about an hour down the road. We're at the first checkpoint. This is Platteville Veterans Memorial, I believe. And I think there's 3 other checkpoints today along the 400-mile drive. I've had a nice little ride in the Fairlane. I think I'm gonna keep cruising with him. It's really nice. Hell yeah. Enterprises, checkpoint 2 of the day. What's up, Brant?
How's it going?
How's the drive?
It's been awesome.
Hell yeah.
This is gorgeous out.
Where are we at? H2 Enterprises?
Yes, H2 Enterprises. They got some serious burgers up there.
Oh, they got food for us?
Oh, yes.
Oh, yes, that's perfect timing. I'm hungry.
Are we eating burgers or
On
what?
Hawaiian buns.
You guys hungry? There's burgers.
Look at this. They rolled out the red carpet, or red rocks, I guess. Grilling some burgers up.
Yeah.
How's the old turbo brick doing?
Good. Filled up the catch can though, so.
Oh, that's minor issue.
Yeah.
Minor issue.
Yeah. She starts smoking like a chimney going down the road.
Gotcha. This thing got air conditioning?
Yeah.
Of course. Oh, you guys are spoiled.
Texas streetcar life.
There you go.
Let me out. Let me out. Oh, it was unlocked.
Yeah. You could have just pulled the door.
Man, I was really freaking out.
This is awkward.
Yeah, it sucks.
All right, those are gonna be the cars I think we're gonna cruise with for at least a little bit. I think it's like a 1950 Ford pickup and a Chevy 2 Nova. They said they haven't really had too many problems on the road, but we're gonna stick with them and see what happens. Go to at least the next checkpoint and meet up some other guys.
Shut up, Fred.
You shut up.
Just shut up.
This is the unwritten checkpoint. It's checkpoint number 4 or whatever.
Yeah, I think so. What's the odds of running into a train?
Yeah, right in the middle of nowhere. Yeah. What's going on with the Regal?
Oh, we broke the exhaust hanger.
Huh? We noticed it was flopping around a little bit.
We'll look, see if he's got something to take one of those clamps apart.
So rough. I think that's working as well.
It's not good for race cars. Rain is not good for race cars. Hopefully they all have street tires. They have slicks. We're about to pull over. So I think Cletus and Leroy and Ruby are waiting out the storm. These guys want to press on. They think we're going to go right behind it. It looks pretty dark. Hopefully we don't hit too much of it. Into the storm. How were your? Did you stay on the road pretty easily?
I bought a new rubber. We're good. Yeah. No, it's good.
Didn't really notice it much? I hit the water on the side and it was pulling the truck over.
Oh, the deep stuff? Yeah.
Yeah, that was bad.
I try to stay out of that. But
Yeah.
You would not believe that.
we hit a puddle of water.
I look in my rearview mirror, and his trailer's like this.
Oh no.
And then it's like this. And then it's back like this, and I'm saying to Matt, it's on its side. I think it's on its side. We gotta pull over. And then I slow down, and he's still following me, and I'm like, oh, no, it's not. It's still on its wheels. Yeah. Everything in his trailer.
We had to stop and make sure that his pants weren't cold.
Yeah.
It was a handful.
Your trip was too easy so far.
Mountain Dew and miracles, that's what happened. That's what happened back there.
Dang.
Yeah, she was a handful.
That sounds scary.
And we thought you were just Jesus on the drag strip, but apparently on the highway too.
I actually hurt my neck a little bit. I was cranking on the wheel so hard. The side of my neck's a little sore. I was just muscling the shit out of that thing.
Just the trailer? Just caught the...
No, the whole car. The whole car was sideways. I saw him, I saw your brother hit the water, and the water was 3 times higher than the car, and I'm like, oh my God.
Yeah, I started backplaning.
I get it back under control. I look in the mirror, and I'm like, oh no. And the car's pointing at the median. And I'm like, okay.
Yeah, try this way.
Turn it back, and then the trailer, I got the car straightened out, and the trailer wouldn't stop.
Trailer's going like this.
Oh my God. Not like I couldn't grab the
like
brake
this.
controller, because the car's just crazy. Like right up on one wheel. I gotta say the best part was when Troy asked Matt, "You want to ride with me?"
Yeah. He started walking back to Rich's car. He goes, "What? You don't want to ride with me?"
That'd have been some good video right there.
Yeah, talk to Rich.
Oh, it was funny.
It looks so ratchet, their roof is like torn apart.
Oh yeah.
Don't make fun of our roof, Kyle. I know that's what you're about.
You guys looked so miserable when we passed you.
We weren't though.
That's good.
We were smiling, having fun. But when the blue skies came, we were.
All I saw was the folded up cardboard. I was like, oh
we were
man.
very thankful when the blue skies came.
We had to modify the cardboard a couple times.
It's a good thing you guys drove in front of that, because it got way bigger after you guys went through.
It did.
It was like just black wall of clouds behind us.
It was gnarly.
Attacked by a bee. His is ripped open when we taped his.
Well, those were different reasons. Where's the water going now that you went through a really big storm?
Oh, it drips in the middle a little bit.
Oh yeah, I see a whole bunch of...
Off Garrett's side through his net over there, it comes in really good.
Yeah.
I should have cardboarded his
It really
side.
isn't bad though. We haven't been holding any water in the car.
That's good.
The seat covers get a little wet.
It's like a mist.
Yeah.
Just because there's a...
Especially when like a truck passes you, it's like.
When we went to heavy stuff, I saw the semis go past. I was like, I can't imagine not having a door right now. I don't know if I'm ready for this.
Welcome to my chariot. As you can see, it's very nice.
Very nice. Very nice.
I would put your poncho like sit on it and the seat cover.
Oh, is it wet?
Kind of wet.
Okay, that's why I was on the seat when I came up here.
And then put the jacket somewhere you can reach it in case we run into something.
Oh, nice pro tip.
Some rain you get.
Okay, so before you start this monstrosity, what do I need to know?
Well, if we're gonna crash, hold on.
Okay.
We do have a phone charger available. It's $5 an hour.
Where is this?
Right here.
Oh, okay.
2 USBs. One of them's 2 amp. That's $10 an hour. Otherwise, just hold on, have fun, and you're gonna want these.
Oh, alright.
It gets pretty noisy. So once we get on the road, I usually put them on because I like to hear in case something's weird, you know. But your ears like adapt to them, and you can still hear really well.
Perfect.
If there's problems.
Found the cup holder, by the way.
Watch out for rats too.
Oh yeah.
All race until he might come for you.
We're getting the full experience.
You're getting the full experience.
Oh god. I got brothers in the trailer.
behind us. You notice it much driving?
Not at all. This thing tows better than it races.
It tows better than it races.
It tows so good. Like, you even notice it?
No.
Honestly. It's impressive, bro. Like, it rides good. It doesn't make much noise. It tows it like it's not even there.
Not bad.
This is the shake and bake.
Take it back.
Run into the back.
Well, bump drafting. Made it to checkpoint number 3, I believe. We are in Binkelman, Nebraska, and we're at the Legion right here. No cars here when we showed up, but a couple just showed up right now. How you guys doing?
Not too bad.
No,
Making some time.
no issues on the way?
Not yet. Knock on wood. 480E life.
Oh, you got overdrive and all that?
Oh, yeah.
Do you have air conditioning too?
No air conditioning.
All right, you have all the creature comforts then.
327 gears though, so
Oh, that's nice.
2100 RPM at like 75, 80.
That's not bad at all.
Getting right down the road.
Oh, there's Butterface
Butterface!
and Bodie McBoderson. How's Butterface doing?
Butterface is doing fantastic.
Yeah? No issues on the road so far?
Nope, not so far. Only thing we had to fix was the trailer plug.
Oh,
So
that's not bad.
been cruising all day, going right down the road, no problems, doing big burnouts, having fun.
What kind of mileage does Butterface get?
Not good.
Well, I've heard some people say they get 6.5. One person said they got 13.
I think we're about 8, 9.
8 or
something
9?
Like that.
That's about average. What are you guys getting in the
About 10, I think.
10? Wow.
He does
gear.
smaller burnouts.
Small. Oh. That is not good. That is our #1 overall, and he's on the side of the road. Are you just admiring the view, or are you actually having problems?
We're waiting for the sun to shine.
Okay.
Sitting here watching some 1320 videos, actually.
So what's going on?
Waiting for some parts.
What?
Waiting for parts.
Waiting for parts. What's
Yeah, water pump quit.
Water pump quit.
Yeah.
That's our parts coming from Kearney.
Yep.
We just passed some guys that they said, yeah, we have somebody coming, but they're already in Kearney, so they have like an hour drive here. So.
Yeah, on our way back with a pump, they had to pull off of a front engine dragster, I guess, that's what the pump was on, so
Really?
we'll see what it looks like.
That's the only thing they could find that could fit this?
That's the only person that had a pump, so I'll take it.
You should have just had an LS and you build parts anywhere.
I'll go fast.
You wouldn't go nearly as fast, but yeah. But you're pretty confident that it's going to be able to work?
Yeah, I think we're good.
Okay. How much longer do you think you're going to have to wait for parts?
I thought she was 20 minutes out 20 minutes ago, so
That's fair.
Any minute.
Okay, that's fair. That's luck right there.
oh, yeah, that's all it is. But I'll take luck over skill. Whew. I was worried about that part right there.
What's all it's doing that?
Watch that.
That one got some years on it? Or?
Yeah, I don't know how many years, but it's probably got 4 or 5 years on it at least.
At least you got your use out of it, right?
Yeah. It
was just
sound horrible anyway, so I just figured it crossed my mind once or twice to carry a spare, but it always sounds horrible and it's always worked, so I just didn't.
That's fair. That was Royce. Royce is the #1 overall right now. His average is like a 790 something, 780 something. He's fast. He's the fastest guy in all of Rocky Mountain Race Week right now. And apparently he was sitting there for 5 hours waiting for a water pump. We happened to pop up maybe 10 minutes before it showed up, so we got kind of lucky there. Luckily, Royce makes it all the way there on the new pump, and he'll be fine, and he'll get to make it rain 7s for the rest of the 3 tracks. Yeah, we're gonna keep on the way. We still have a couple more hours till we hit Kearney, and hopefully we'll see some racers along the way. Colorado Nebraska at Blueprint Engines. This is the final checkpoint of the day. It looks like a lot of racers made it. We're gonna walk around, see who all made it, see if there's any troubles on the road, whatnot. But this is pretty much the ending point. After this, everybody's gonna go to a hotel, and then we're doing racing tomorrow, and then we drive to Julesburg? Then we drive to Julesburg. So we do racing, and then we don't get a whole drive day. We do racing, and then immediately after that, we have to go to Julesburg, and then the next morning, the next morning we race in Julesburg, do the same thing. So that's the end of the full drive days. Every other day after this is going to be race, drive, race, drive, race, drive. So a lot of stress on the drivers, a lot of stress on the teams. Should be a great time though. It's really exciting to see these guys make it, and they break down, they fix them on the side of the road. It's actually really cool experience. We're gonna go, like I said, we're gonna go walk around, see who all made it, and we'll check back a little bit. You made it. It only took you guys a couple days, but you made it.
Yeah, we made it. It's a good thing we left yesterday.
Well, congrats on making it.
Yeah,
hopefully you make it to the track tomorrow.
Yeah, we'll be good.
And then make it rain 7s the next 3 days. Like
exactly.
Good luck, man.
All right, thanks.
All right, guys, we are tired. It's been a long day. We're gonna head to the hotel, and we will see you guys at the track tomorrow.